Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't slept yet. Today we have a special guest. This box. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing first impression haul. What the fuck? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Telfar package that I ordered, and basically a first impression. I've never had a telfeezy before. This is going to be my first ones. I ordered this through the Back Security Program 3, I think, that they had. So I ordered this October 5th of last year. I spent $826.36. I got 4 purses. One of them is for my mom. Hi mom, if you're watching. Okay, so this is the box that came in. Like this. I'm really excited about this because yes, cute. Oh, the box gotta be so big. So it comes with a packing slip. I got medium cobalt, a large eggplant, small gold, and small lavender. Whatever. This is what. I'm so excited. This is what it's giving. I'm here for it. Okay. So this is the small gold that I got. This is really nice. This is really nicely packaged. Telfeezy. Okay. Comes in this little duffel bag. Here for why did I gotta do this? Cute. Oh my god. If you don't know what a Telfar bag is, if you don't know what a Telfar bag is, this is what they are. Hope you can see that. This is the gold color. How fucking cute. And then it comes with a little thing. Cute. And on the inside is like this. This. Yes. Thank you. Okay, second bag. Save the turtles. I'm fucking screaming. I love this. I am here for it. This is the lavender. I might have to I don't like that they're like this, but I think I might have to put something in here so that, you know what I mean? So it's all creased and shit, but cute. It's giving. My camera died. Because they said it was going to be shipped out by March, I ordered spring colors. So here we are. Okay. love this packaging. I'm here for it. And my purses aren't squished, you know, like they make them nice, but I think I have to put like probably like a weight or something in here because I don't. It's giving brown paper bag for lunch. Ooh. So this is the one that I got for my mom. Well, she ordered it. She told me which one she wanted. Yeah. This is beautiful. I've never had a Telfeezy before. I've only just seen it on school. So I've actually never really like touched to it. See, this one's like, see, this one and this one is the same. But this is like matte. Like there's no shine. But this is the same as this. This is so fucking cute. Mom, I hope you like this. She is giving. Oh! Oh, and it has a little thing here, a magnetic thing. And a zipper. Yes, nice girl. Yes, big zippers, we love them. And then this is the whole back. I'm gonna leave this one right now. Okay. This is the one that I got for Macy's. I did not know it was this big. I thought the one that I ordered for myself was gonna be that size. It's like a big purse. Look at it. Look at it. I don't really have any big. I do have big purses, but I don't have a Telfeezy. I'm really excited. Giving. Wow. This is a big ass fucking bag. I did not know that it was this big. That's what she said. I'll leave this for my cats. Look at her. Not her, me. Like, I did not know it was gonna be this big. What am I gonna do with this? I'm gonna fucking wear this big ass crossbody? Like, come on. Be realistic, Telfeezy. Okay. Same thing, there's this thing, magnet thing. This. It says 2005. Interesting. And she has like a little pocket here, and then big zipper. We love a big zipper. Look at that ass fit in here. This is some Mary Poppins shit. This is more than I bargained for. It's bigger than me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and maybe you're gonna go buy a Telfeezy. The smalls, obviously. This is the medium size, and this is the large. Large and in charge. I love this one because all I wear is gold, literally. It's not even Saturday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if you want to see me do an unboxing of like literally anything else. Shout out to Telfeezy and my bank account for paying for this. Before I go, I just gotta say one thing. Birds, please sponsor me.